Welcome back. Today we are looking at the group Head Gasket Silicone for La Marzocco's GS3 La Marzocco GS3 Espresso Machine Review. La Marzocco GS3 Espresso Machine owners know that perfection in espresso extraction depends on every tiny component working flawlessly. One of the most critical yet often overlooked parts is the group head gasket. This premium silicone gasket set 72 by 55 by 6 millimeters, black rubber washer design. 2 PCS pack is engineered specifically for high-end machines like the GS3, GS2, Linea FB70, FB80, and GB5. Check the video description for the updated price link. It ensures a tight, leak-free seal between the portafilter and group head, directly impacting pressure stability, extraction quality, and overall espresso consistency. In professional CAF environments or serious home barista setups, even a minor steam or water leak can ruin espresso shots and reduce machine efficiency. This upgraded silicone gasket solution is designed to eliminate those issues while improving durability compared to traditional rubber seals. If you're looking to maintain CAF-level espresso performance, this accessory becomes a must-have maintenance upgrade. The biggest advantage of this group head gasket is its high-grade silicone composition. Unlike standard rubber seals that degrade quickly under constant heat and pressure, silicone maintains flexibility and structural integrity over time. This ensures that your La Marzocco GS3 espresso machine continues to deliver consistent pressure without micro-leaks or heat deformation. Silicone also provides better resistance to coffee oils, moisture, and high-temperature steam cycles. In busy cafes or home setups where multiple shots are pulled daily, this resistance significantly extends the gasket's lifespan. The result is fewer replacements, less maintenance downtime, and more consistent espresso output. This gasket is not just a replacement part, it is an upgrade engineered for precision brewing systems. Exact fit design 72 by 55 by 6 millimeters dimensions ensure compatibility with GS3, GS2, Linea FB70, FB80, and GB5 machines. Silicone material heat-resistant, flexible, and long-lasting compared to traditional rubber. Leak prevention tight seal prevents water leakage during high-pressure extraction. Commercial-grade durability built for CAF environments and heavy usage. Dual pack advantage comes with 2 pieces for backup or simultaneous machine servicing. Each feature contributes to improved espresso consistency and machine reliability, making it a smart investment for both professionals and enthusiasts. The engineering behind this gasket focuses on precision sealing under extreme espresso machine conditions. The silicone compound is molded to maintain perfect thickness uniformity, ensuring even pressure distribution when the portafilter locks into place. This eliminates uneven wear patterns often seen in standard rubber gaskets, which can cause gradual leaking or inconsistent pressure. Additionally, the black rubber washer finish provides extra friction for a secure fit, reducing the chance of portafilter over-tightening or slippage. For espresso machine owners who also maintain their setup like professionals, pairing this gasket with proper cleaning routines and accessories, such as home workout equipment like a weighted vest for workout 20 pounds during long CAF shifts, can help maintain endurance and efficiency during busy barista operations. Replacing a group head gasket on a La Marzocco GS3 espresso machine is a straightforward process, but requires attention to detail. First, ensure the machine is powered off and cooled down. Remove the portafilter and gently pry out the old gasket using a flat tool designed for espresso maintenance. Clean the group head thoroughly to remove any coffee residue or oil buildup. This step is crucial because debris can compromise the sealing quality of the new gasket. Once clean, insert the new silicone gasket evenly, ensuring it sits flush without twisting. Lock the portafilter into place a few times without coffee to test the seal. If you feel even resistance and no leaks occur, installation is successful. Regular inspection every few months is recommended for optimal performance. Check the link in the description to get yours today.